In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your name on TikTok on an iPhone or on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up TikTok app and then tap right here to head over to your TikTok profile. At the very top of our TikTok profile, located our TikTok name, and just underneath your avatar, located your TikTok username. We can change both of them if we tap right here where it says Edit Profile. Once we tap at Edit Profile, we'll be redirected to that page where we can easily edit our name if we tap right here. Then we can remove the current one and enter a new one. Keep in mind that you can change your name or a nickname, how TikTok called it, once every 7 days. Once you've changed the name, just hit Add Save to apply the changes. To continue, tap Add Confirm, and then your name on TikTok will be changed. The same about username. If we get into username, we'll be able to change it in exactly the same way. However, there is one moment that you need to consider, that username has to be unique. You can delete current one, then enter new one, and if this indicator shows you this green check mark, it means that this username that you have entered is not actually taken, so you can then hit Add Save to set this username as yours on your TikTok profile. Keep in mind that you can change your username once every 30 days. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.